Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babywif token. Now the Babywif token is just about to start their pre-sale here on pinksale.finance. This is a brand new token on the Binance Smart Chain. Name of the token is Babywif and ticker symbol is also Babywif. I am going to leave a link to this pre-sale down there in the comment section and in the description box so you guys can easily find this pre-sale here. It's a public pre-sale, no need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. Max contribution is 2 BNB. You can't buy more than 2 BNB worth of tokens per wallet because they want to decentivize whales from buying too much and then dumping the token there. But yeah, this pre-sale is just about to start. We're going to go over the information on the Babywif token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at Babywif Entry. This is their announcement Telegram. They have 771 subscribers. You can preview the channel. They also have a Twitter at Babywif_BNB. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find this project. On their Twitter right there, you will see they have a link to their webpage, babywif-coin.com. Brand new project. They just joined in March 2024 on Twitter there. 1,207 Twitter followers. It says, Babywif is a meme coin that will never die. Integrate DeFi and AI with Babywif. And only 3 tweets so far. It says, we're excited to announce significant collaborations with major BSC initiatives. Our marketing reach extends across Telegram, Twitter, decentralized exchanges, Facebook, and TikTok. With our project trending on DEX Tools, Aave, and DexView, we're setting a new standard. Dive into our vibrant Telegram community and start playing our game today. Enjoy the benefit of 0 taxes on buys and sells. Get ahead of the curve with our pre-listing on CoinMarketCap. Join the revolution now. So there's 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 420 billion tokens. Initial market cap estimate for this pre-sale is $11,518. So they have a soft cap of 15 BNB, and they have. So the pre-sale basically starts today, March 18th, 14 hours UTC time. It should be very close to where by the time that I upload this video. And the pre-sale is going to go for 2 days, 48-hour pre-sale. There's no hard caps, so it's just going to go the whole time. It's going to go from the 18th until March 20th, 14 hours UTC time. Now, links will be down there in the comment section and the description box for this pre-sale. But if you end up missing the pre-sale, you're watching this video after the 20th, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Pancakeswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Babywif token using the contract that you can find on their official webpage, babywif-coin.com. Now, you probably will not have to worry about slippage because it says 0% buy and sell taxes, and liquidity will be locked on Pancakeswap for 150 days. According to their token metrics allocation pie chart, 48.8% of the tokens go to presale, 24.96% of the tokens get burnt, 10% go to central exchange listings, 16.2% of the tokens go to liquidity. Now, on their webpage, you can find a full white paper, all sorts of info on there. It'll take you over to legend-1.gitbook.io/Babywif. Introducing Babywif, where the iconic Baby Doge meets the stylish addition of a hat. Just when you thought Baby Doge couldn't get any cuter, we've added a touch of flair with the legendary Whiff hat. Prepare for a revolution in the meme coin world as we combine two of the most beloved memes in crypto history. Emerging from the shadows of the mighty Baby Doge, Babywif stands taller, stronger, and even more adorable, now with a hat. Get ready to witness the rise of the ultimate meme token, destined to leave a mark in the crypto space. Join our ever-growing community, embark on this thrilling adventure, and let's propel Babywif to meme coin stardom together. So the next 100 times meme, potentially, of course. Innovation Fur Frenzy. Babywif's cosmic expedition ignites the possum innovation drive, surfing the bullish wave into unexplored realms. Get ready for a tail-wagging journey of crypto creativity. Crypto Positivity Rush. Embark on our crypto crash course. Catch the FOMO fever and crypto education. Knowledge is the hottest token in town. So, yeah, basically they have these different utilities here they're going to come out with. The DAO is one of them, and they have a roadmap here. So they're starting with contract testing, website design and launch, NFT conception and design, marketing, community development, campaign, Twitter, Telegram, etc. Token launch, phase 2, listing on Pancakeswap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, token staking pools will come out first, then NFT distribution, then collab with other BSC projects, then they're going to have the Paw Shop, which is a trade function launch, central exchange listings, and then they have the Pawn Shop, which is a rent function launch. And then, so these are most likely for NFTs here, but you could read about that more in depth. Then they have a full NFT collection release, and then a game's going to come out. And then ads, central exchange listings, their own NFT collection after that again. More billboards, influencer marketing, collabs with other meme tokens, and then meeting Lord Elon, it says. So yeah, they have the Babywif NFTs, they have the Babywif token, there's no tax on it, they have the DAO, and they have the, so the DAO looks like it's for NFT holders. And yeah, so that is basically about it. And then they're going to have Babywif Meme AI to come out, this AI project. So check it all out. Link will be down below to the pre-sale. You're going to find all their links on that pink sale page. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.